If you have an old bike from the 80s or the 90s, it's possible that it has this wheel lock. Which is nice until you have the key. But these are from the 80s, so you probably don't. I just got 3 bikes with this lock, but without the key. And I wanted to do something with the mount because it's very well located. And I will show you what. Please subscribe before I continue. Thanks. So I took the lock off with a screwdriver. If you are not as lazy as I am, you can take the wheel off, and it's much easier like that. I designed the shape of the lock in Tinkercad. And I 3D printed it. 4 times. I put an M5 nut in the 3D printed mount, pulled it in place with a GoPro screw. I put it in the old lock space. Again, wheel out makes it much easier. I mounted the action cam mount on it. And I mounted an old action cam on it. It's like 5-6 years old. It looks pretty clean. And this is how the image looks while it records. Keep in mind that this is a 6-year-old action cam, and even that time it was very cheap. This bike has this carrier stuff, but it's still okay. I had to play with the angles a bit, that's why it took 4 tries actually. Now it's kinda horizontal. I put the link of the design in the description if you would like to 3D print it. Prepare, it's not free. But if you download the design, you also get the base mount and you can design on it whatever you want. Just imagine. Thanks for watching and check the description for more info. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!